Okay, guys. Yes. So if $25 is not too small for you, if $25 is not too small for you right now, quickly do this. Quickly do this. So this is an app you need to download, and you need to use VPN. You need to download it, and you end real life events, like you end for real, like it's a walk and earn app, and it has this number of participants who have done that globally. So if $25 is not too small for you, you're just going to do that. So you come down, you click on the link I'm going to drop in the description box of this video on my first pinned comment, and you click here, you click on download the app. So once you click on download app, it will ask you, do you want to download this with App Store or Google Play Store? So the app works both on your App Store and your Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone device, you can use your App Store, or if you are using an Android device, use Google Play. So right now, it's just going to go to my Play Store, and it's going to download the app from me. If you're new to my vlog channel, you're most welcome. My name is Susan, and this is where I share everything Web3. I share everything airdrop and crypto. I also share my no-fee recipes on cakes, mochos, food tray, commercial drinks from time to time. So yes, you will need a VPN, a very strong VPN, and this I'm using Express VPN, and you make sure it is set to US. Make sure it is set to US and it's connected, just like you can see mine. If you're using an Android device, there is a premium version of this Express VPN on my Telegram channel. So if you've not joined my Telegram channel, you're going to be missing out. So yes, I'm not going to minimize, and I'm going to go to the app, and I'm going to open it because I already downloaded. So like I said, if $25 is not too small for you right now, just come here and download the app. Click on the link in the description box of this video or my first pinned comment, and if you're on my Telegram community, you already see that link. So you click on it and you download it. You download the app, and that is your one step to getting $25. So the next thing you want to do is to come down here, and you're going to click on sign up with Google. You come here, you click on sign up with Google, just like you can see. Then you select the Google account you want to sign up with, and it is going to take you straight to it, and you sign up, and it will load just like this. And it says, please let me see the total steps your phone detects. So you're going to come down here, and you're going to click on access display that shows. So come down here and click on access activities. So it's just like an app that is meant to monitor your health, like how far you walked for the day and all that. So you click here, you come down here, and you click on enable health connect here. Please don't skip, just follow the process where I'm showing you. So you just come here and click on allow all, and you click on allow, just like that. So it will start converting your steps from the time you register. So it asks you, would you like to receive a push notification? So you just click on yes please, and you click on allow. So if you have a smartwatch, just what a smartwatch does, that's what this app does. So it will able to count your step accurately. So you click on allow background activity, and all this while I'm doing this, my yes allow, my VPN is on. You need your VPN to be on for this to work. So yes. So not sure yet, it will ask you, do you want a premium plan or a free plan? Just click on not sure yet, free plan. So you start with the free plan, you click on continue with free plan. So it said you need to like set your daily goal. You need to set your daily goal. So I'll just leave it at this default and click on set daily goal, and it's click on done. So now this is where you can earn as little or as much as $25. Yes, how? It is by inviting people. If you invite at least 5 friends, you earn. So you invite, you say you get $1,500 in Spooky treats, including the new iPhone X. You click on let's go. So it's you invite and you earn. You invite and you earn. So you need to invite friends, and this is a limited offer. This ends in 10 days. And in 10 days, you come here, you click on invite friends, just like this. You click on invite friends, and you're able to copy your referral link. You're able to copy it, and once you start inviting friends, it's going to show, like it's going to reflect and be able to earn. So say, how does this work? Let me show you how it works. You invite your friends to Sweatcoin with your unique invitation link. When your friend register, you'll be able to scratch the price draw ticket to reveal what you have won. For every friend you refer, for every friend you invite before the deadline is another chance to win. So get sharing. This campaign will be valid from the 9th of October until the 31st of October 2025. So invite people through the price draw feature. You are agreeing to the terms and conditions, blah blah blah. So this price draw is no way affiliated with Apple. All prices are provided by Sweatcoin. So if you invite 5 friends, you are guaranteed of having a minimum of $25. Yes. So see what you get. You get this 40 Sweatcoin points if you invite for inviting a friend. Then you get a daily reward, and yes, on and on like that. So these are some of the tasks you can do for the day. See. So I'm dropping that link right now. Just as this update came to me, I'm dropping it for you guys so that you can stay bullish on it. So do well to stick to my channel. Do well to leave me comment, ask questions several times. I'll definitely respond to those questions. See you on that update, and bye for now. Do well to also join the Telegram community, because that is where I drop most updates as it's hot. The link is always in the description box of my videos or my first pinned comment. Bye for now.